Bullish ramp cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 19 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ramp could reach 9 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Be that as it may, Ramp's previous presentation has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the cryptographic money market, with promising future outcomes. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-faceted driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Rong and Lawrence Lim to augment capital productivity on stacked computerized resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp enables clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a feature of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework expands capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack various yield streams without a moment's delay. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero charges by saving their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens openly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's special selling point is the way it furnishes clients with the least getting charges and the absolute most elevated store yields on insurance resources. Ramp's specialized examination. Ramp's creation was essentially incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development heightens, the cost of Ramp coin is additionally prone to increment. Like other digital forms of money, there is a restricted greatest stock of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is forever taken out from course. This makes Ramp DeFi safe to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A greater part of crypto fans are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise venture. As the DeFi crypto industry grows much further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from now on, and any venture could bring great returns. Ramp basic investigation. The larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for battling this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors an extraordinary market potential with magnificent possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, acquiring RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This effective framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on venture on their resources and all the while separate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield cultivating valuable open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with an unmistakable situation to procure colossal benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital money market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is as of now worth 2 cents USD. Ramp has moved 3.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,079. Ramp is as of now positioned 576 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $16,395,609 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ramp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ramp Value Expectation 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Ramp cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 3 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. Ramp Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 5 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the ramp's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 4 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents. Ramp value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 7 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 6 cents and a low of 6 cents in 2024. Ramp value expectation 2025. Assuming ramp effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 9 cents, with a base cost of 8 cents and a typical cost of 8 cents. Ramp value forecast 2026. After some broad guanching and specialized investigation, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 10 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 10 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a greatest value worth of 11 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 12 cents. In the event that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 13 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 12 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 14 cents and a yearly cost close above 15 cents in 2028. Ramp value expectation 2029. By 2029, ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 16 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 17 cents, averaging out at 16 cents. Ramp value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ramp cost in 2030 is projected to be 19 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 18 cents. Our ramp value expectations are formed on specialized examination, as it were. We utilize a few specialized markers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our figures utilize continuous ramp digital currency market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic ramp cost expectations. View our ramp cost expectations underneath. And interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focus